Hey, it's Simon and welcome back for another video if you are a returning viewer. I'm here in Flaine on what is a slightly overcast but very warm day here in the Grand Massif. The conditions are not ideal, it's the end of the season, but please don't let that put you off this guide to some of the best blue runs here in the resort of Flaine. Hopefully today I'm going to show you some of my favourites, which means when you hit Flaine in better conditions than what I've got right now, you'll know exactly where to head. Anyway, I'm currently sat on the Grand Massif. This chair leads to two of my absolute favourites, but with both of these runs, you want to hit them early in the day. So, let's go. Okay, trail number one is Granat. It is short and sweet, but oh my god, this is one of my favourites. Most people opting for the Dolomite blue instead. Woo! Grooming this morning was not ideal, but that is a time of the year thing. Don't blame Granat for that. If you're coming in peak season, anywhere between December and the start of April, that is perfect. This is the last few days of the season. Conditions are not going to be ideal, but that is one of my favourites. Number two on today's list is Tourmaline. Now, Tourmaline is 3 times longer than our first blue run on the list, Granat. At over 2.5 kilometers, it is a perfect run. You can access it from this chair, the Venant, or the Grand Massif, depending on whether you're coming from one of the villages of Saint-Bois, Les Coraux, Marion, etc., or from Flaine itself. As you take it down, you want to hit it early. It is a point of travel for so many people coming from the villages. It can get busy throughout the day, so if you get a chance to get on this one first thing in the morning, you honestly won't regret it. Let's go and check out Tourmaline. Okay, so run number 3, Mephisto, on the top of the Varan, offers about 500 metres, vertical drop, and about 2 kilometres in length. That is Mephisto, absolutely glorious in the right conditions. a nice long leg burner which can take you back into the centre of Flaine. From here you can either get over to the DMC Grand Massif, back to the Uc de Varan or the Tête de Verde. Let's take the gondola right to the top. Okay, so the next blue run on the list, it's not my favourite, but it's in there because it's nearly 5 kilometres long. If you go straight from the top of the gondola at the DMC Grand Massif, it's 4.7k. It gives beginners and intermediates the opportunity to ride from the top of Flaine all the way back down into the village. So Serpentine definitely deserves a shout. Whether it's one of my favourites is something completely different, but let's go. We're past the long boring flat bit, so Serpentine. So to be fair, Serpentine is really cruisy and you can continue right down to the bottom there in the village. However, over on the left is a little cheat code, the Desert Blanche lift. This will avoid the long flat section at the start, and it also accesses my favourite, definitely my favourite of all the blues on this side of Flaine. Straight off Desert Blanche chair, we've got Lucifer, one of the reds that I covered in my Flaine best red runs. Is just there, and then the second left hand turn is Crystal. I love the pitch of Crystal. It's a bit short, but it leads on to another fantastic red. But for today, let's take the whole of Crystal just to the bottom. Let's go. Start with that mellow section and then it starts to open up. Long here over the outside, so I'm sticking to the right, but it's nice and wide. Absolute gorgeous. That is Crystal. And for today, that is it. Conditions are not perfect, but these are some of the best blue runs across Flaine ski resort here in the Grand Massif. If you think I've missed your favourite off, drop it down below in the comments. Tell me why it's your favourite. And I love the support, so thank you so much. If you are here at the end of this video, if you found value in it, please say something down below, drop a like, share it with someone else. It helps so much. But for now, thank you, and I'll see you soon with another video.